Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreth.
Welcome back to News Watch 12 this morning. Right now you're taking a live look at Klamath Falls. This view coming courtesy of the Sky Lakes Medical Center. We're up to 49 degrees this morning in Klamath Falls. We're seeing lots of 40s to the east of the Cascades this morning, so maybe you want a light jacket in Klamath or Lake counties as you're headed out the front door. But 50s and 60s for west side valleys and middle 50s along the coast in Curry County. Here is your pool forecast for today for the Rogue Valley. It's going to be another excellent pool day out there as we'll be very warm. We'll have lots of sunshine. Keep in mind that the UV index is going to be very high, so please apply the sunscreen and continue to reapply it, especially if you're going to be in and out of the water. We'll have some very light haze for today, with some of the smokier conditions being immediately downwind of some of the fires, especially downwind of the flat fire. And winds there today in Curry County will come out of the north. Today's highs will actually be a bit below average for this time of the year, which means we'll be in the mid-80s to the east of the Cascades, pretty close to 90 for west side valleys, and then middle 60s along the coast in Curry County. Winds today will come out of the west and north, primarily gusting between 20 to 30 miles per hour, with the fastest wind gusts being in the Shasta Valley and along the coastline. And then for tonight, we'll see two different areas of pretty thick smoke. Area number one is going to be in southern Curry County down towards Crescent City, and that is going to be from the flat fire. Then area number two, this is going to be smoke in northern Klamath County and Lake County, and that is going to be from the bedrock fire. Other than that, a pretty decent night with cloudless skies and temperatures that are pretty similar to what we're seeing for this morning. We'll have mid-40s to the east of the Cascades, upper 50s for west side valleys, and then low 50s along the coast in Curry County. We'll keep our temperatures pretty consistent over the next few days. They're going to be below average still at least through Sunday, and then we start to warm things up into Monday and Tuesday, cooling back off a little bit by Wednesday. We're keeping a very close eye on Tuesday because we'll have a dangerous combination of some dry fuels. It'll be very hot. It'll be a little bit breezy as well. We're also keeping a very close eye on Saturday because fuels will be a little bit less dry compared to Tuesday, but it will be blustery and fuels will be dry enough to promote the start and rapid spread of a large wildfire. Here's the 7-day forecast for the coast. We'll see some rather hazy conditions specifically to the south of the flat fire with winds coming out of the north. And then for Siskiyou County, we should see some pretty good air quality over the next couple of days. Just some very light haze, and overall it's just going to be hot and dry over the next 7 days. Then for the Klamath Basin, again, really it's going to be a tell of two different counties. For Lake County, which is technically the Great Basin, that's where we'll see the thickest smoke from the bedrock fire. But northern Klamath County could also see quite a bit of smoke from the same fire, including areas like Chemult and Lapine and Crescent. But south central Klamath County, including Klamath Falls and Lake of the Woods and Crater Lake, should see some pretty good air quality. And then for the Rogue Valley, just some very light haze over the next couple of days.